Hi, everyone. Let's continue to talk about bathroom fixtures and focus in on bathtubs and showers. There are many types of bathtubs. Um, so many that I'm not even going to go into all of them into detail. Bathtubs can be freestanding. The classic example of that would be kind of a clawfoot tub. They can be recessed or alcove, which is a common installation, and here's a picture of one where it's got a wall along three sides. You can have a platform bathtub, in which you have a flat platform and the bathtub sits into it. A corner bathtub, here's an example of a corner bathtub. I don't know if you can see that, but the wall would be here and this would stick out. Any of these types and sizes of bathtubs could be jetted or whirlpool. And finally, there are some bathtubs that are accessible or walk-in. Standard sizes. There are many different types of bathtubs, like we just talked about. But if you take a look at this chart I've put together, all the different types right here, your standard size is going to be 60 inches long by 30 inches wide. Okay, that's a really common size. Do other sizes exist? Absolutely, all over the map. Okay, smaller models, larger models. So you're really going to have to look at every bathtub when you're choosing. Make sure, is it going to fit in the location that you have it? Is it the size that your client would like? And is it the depth your client would like? Take a look at the water depth. We vary all the way from 14 to 30 inches. That's a big difference. Moving on to showers. Showers can be built as a curb shower or a curbless shower, also called a walk-in or even a roll-in shower. Back when we were talking about floor framing, we covered this a little bit. We touched on this. So a curb shower has your shower pan sitting on the regular floor framing. Okay, it's not recessed into it. It's sitting on top of the floor framing, and therefore there is a raised frame. You can see that right here. See this little step in this picture? A raised frame separates the shower base from the rest of the floor. And it will have a traditional, usually circular shower drain. In the curbless or walk-in shower, the shower pan has been recessed or set lower or set in to the bathroom floor. So we have lowered the floor framing, set the shower pan down in there in order to get that walk-in or roll-in shower. In the curbless shower, you usually slope to the back or the side of the shower to a linear drain. And here's a picture of a linear drain right here. Shower pans can be made of many different materials. Some of them are quite lovely. So they can be custom. They can be made out of terrazzo or molded stone, solid surface or cast polymer, or ceramic tile. What size is your shower? The answer is, it depends. There are many, many different shower sizes, but here are a couple of the most common configurations. First of all, square and rectangular showers. The code minimum is 30 inches by 30 inches. Okay, it's pretty small, but in an efficiency bathroom, you can get a 30 by 30 shower in, no problem. Largest you will usually see is 60 by 60. Okay, that's 5 foot square. That's quite big. However, if you're going to have dual head rain shower with a steam sauna, you could even go larger than that. Another common configuration is a corner shower, and the code required minimum size for a corner shower, is 36 by 36. And they don't actually say that in the code. The smallest is that it fits a 30-inch circle, within the shower, and that turns out to be about 3 foot square. The largest you will typically see, at least for a pre-made corner shower, would be 48 by 48 or 4 foot on edge. So here are some common configurations. One is kind of a rectangle where one side is 48 inches and the other side is 36 inches. So 4 feet by 3 feet, fairly common size. Here's one where it is 60 inches, so a full 5 feet, also the same size as a common bathtub, by 36 inches wide. Here's a square shower, in this case, what do they say, 42 to 48 inches, 34 to 48 inches. So there are usually some modular measurements in between them, like every 2 inches or something. Your shower manufacturer will make a variety of sizes. And finally, here's that corner shower. Now on your corner shower, this kind of the 45-degree angle, that's going to be where your shower door is. And the shower head will be either on this wall or on this wall, just depending on your plumbing configuration. What connections do your bath and shower fixtures need? Well, they need hot and cold water supply, and they need drain. And like we saw in the last video, I should have written it on this slide, but I forgot, they will also be connected to the vent or the soil stack. So let's take a look at this illustration from your systems textbook. On the left is a combo tub and shower right here. And so here's the tub drain, and it comes out this way. There's your P-trap underneath, and it will go out that way. Here's your tub spout. It includes a diverter so that the water can be diverted up here into the shower. This right here is just a shower. It does not have the bathtub. You can see it looks almost the same. It's got that drain, only it's missing the tub piece right there. And so here's your control valve and your shower head. They didn't give a separate illustration, but if you just had the tub without a shower, you would just be missing this piece right here. It would stop at this controls, and it would be a different control because you wouldn't need that diverter. That was a super quick overview of baths and showers, kind of how they're put together, what their pieces are, some of the common sizes and shapes. The takeaway here is that there's so many different kinds of bathtubs and so many different sizes and shapes of showers that you're going to have to really choose carefully.